Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be making this Cuisine Adventures French onion soup. We're going to be doing their recommended method in the oven. So we have assembled here everything that you need. We've got our French onion soup, which this is one serving of it right here. We've got some scissors to open it up. We've got an oven safe container right here. I'm just going to use a stoneware mug. They recommend one that holds at least 10 ounces of liquid and is at least 4 inches in diameter across. So I'm also going to use a pie tin just to sit my mug into in case anything happens, in case it spills over. But if you just have some foil or something, that would be fine also. You don't necessarily have to use it, but it's better to be safe than sorry. First thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to get our soup opened up. Now that we've unwrapped that, we're gonna place our soup cheese side up into our container, and then we're just gonna put that into the oven for 40 minutes or until the cheese is golden brown on top. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, guys, it has been a total of 55 minutes. They do want the internal temperature on this to reach 165 degrees, and it was just taking a lot longer than 40 minutes for me. So definitely make sure that you check that as you're cooking, because for me at the 40-minute mark, I was still sitting around 110 degrees. So it definitely needed the extra 15 minutes, and now I have just hit 165. So this is how it looks. This is our finished soup. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're going to give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye! Alright guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.